Our partners group, our PTO, every year does a contest for those kids that are going on the 8th grade Washington, D.C. trip. I just meant to give them a little extra pocket cash when they're in D.C. So we've been doing this on and off for probably about 10 years. And the kids make a patriotic-themed dessert, bring it in, and we have staff from our side, elementary side, our admin building come down. And it's a visual vote, so they just kind of take a look at ones, that they feel truly emphasizes the patriotic theme. And then whoever wins gets $100 spending cash, second place gets $75, third place gets $50, and then we usually give $20 to everybody else that at least participated. So usually what we do, like last year we had like 10 or 12, so we were able to cut them all up and able to serve them during lunch. This year, we're a little bit less, so we might just give them to our 8th graders since it is an 8th grade contest during the lunch period. We only have 6 cakes this year, maybe 7. No, I think we're at 6. So like I said, everybody's gonna get something. It'd be nice if we give more to everybody, but unfortunately, we're kind of limited on our funds with our account. But yeah, hopefully, we're gonna post it on our social media accounts. We've been pushing it all week during our morning announcements, so hopefully next year's 8th graders, this year's 7th graders, kind of see what's going on and they'll get a little bit more involved in it next year.